I hope it's probably really good.
Gold toes and like green sparkly fingers. Morning friends, I wanted to do my nails today, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna have time. Felix just went down for his nap, but like, babies are unpredictable with timing. So I might just like try and do 4 of them, you know? Then do this one. This is the one I usually film. And then just do this one on my own time, you know what I mean? But first, coffee. I really want to drink my coffee, so I'm not going to turn on my fan or wear a face mask. I'm just going to try to file like over here, away from my coffee cup. Okay, so there's this nail set I saw. Like, I wanted to do something like that. It's fairly simple, but it's really pretty. I just saw it and I was like, oh, I want that. I did a really bad job of my prep last time because of the kids being around. And it just was really hard to get my nails done. So I'm going to do a better job with my prep this time. Just kind of playing around with new products on myself before I like talk about how I feel about them and stuff. I just feel like if you're going to do a review, you should probably review something for, like, use it for a couple months. Okie dokie.
All this time I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I never knew.
Okay, I was able to get both hands done, but I can't file them. I just got them done. And Felix just woke up, so I'll be able to get these done today, I think. So excited. Anyways, it's a mess in here, but I got this done, so I don't have to worry about that. Yeah, so I can file these later, and then I'll show you guys how they turn out. I'm really excited. I never have time to, like, enough time to do my nails, but I'm kind of determined. I'm determined for more self-care, taking care of myself. I'm feeling so much better from my last video. I just want to also thank everyone for reaching out, commenting. Yeah, I'm feeling a lot better, doing a lot better. The weather is so nice. It is sunny. Everything is great. Everything's great. So I'm gonna go, yeah, hang out with Felix, and then I have to go pick up Teddy in 40 minutes or so, 35 minutes. Oh, I'm also gonna make pulled pork for dinner. Stay open and shut. And salt and some pepper. No. What are you digging for?
Clay!
So I'm finally able to finish and top coat. How my pork turned out.
I hope it's probably really good.
I just poured the coffee in the water spot. Some of my flowers are dying. I'm gonna have to get some new ones. When your nail tech is you can do your nails whenever you want. Got that done. So now I have loads of time to do whatever I want. So here's the flowers I got. They're orange. Teddy picked them out. That's fine. Morning. We're going to open the package. This is from OA Nail Systems. They messaged me on Instagram and asked to send me something. And so I'm excited to see what it is. It's going to be a little surprise. So I'm just going to get this camera organized so we can do like an overhead here. Let's open. Oop. Okay, so here's the box. Now let's open this up. And look how pretty it is. Anyways, let's pull out these and see what we... Oh, wow, that's pretty. Cuticle oil. Okay, we've got liquid polygel 12. Ooh, wow. Okay, this is a gel polish. Ooh. Are these magnetic? Okay, so there's these two. Look at these cute packaging. I am also filming on my phone while I do this. Okay, this is hybrid gel polish color. Ooh, again, not what I was expecting. Cool. Got all these. Stamping paint. Neat. What colors? Okay, here's a new brush. Ultra liner brush. Ooh. I like that they're like giving me cool stuff, like cool random stuff. Is fresh cotton cleaner. Ooh. Ah, I love this. This is a wipe for like a tacky layer and it smells good. Okay, this has to be the absolute cutest hand file I've ever seen. Yeah, why are they so big actually? Look at this. Adorable little hand file. Size comparison. This is actually great. Yeah, why do I need a giant one? See, this is perfect. Yeah, it's so pretty. I like to set everything up for like a photo. Okay. I'm gonna grab a coffee and get some work done now. Oh, I was gonna film something actually. Okay. I actually need to refill my pink. So I'm gonna work on this nail art. I did the prettiest yellow set yesterday. So I want to do something fun today. I'm kind of like really back into like, what's the word? Like really back into it. Feeling better. Feeling a lot better. Yeah, so my favorite tips and the ones I'm using for this nail set that I'm going to do extra long are the Ugly Duckling extra long tapered square. I really like these ones. I like the C-curve, I like the way they fit. All tips are different. When you glue them on, sometimes tips will like pop right off. These ones I glue on and they just have the right curve to sit there perfectly. So I've been like finding designs and like doing like using them for inspo because I'm still trying to get back into like being creative. I have like the mood to work, but not quite the creativity part yet. So anyways, I want to try something like this one. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Use this for inspo. Okay, so Felix woke up from his nap. Short nap. That's okay. I have shopping to do. Morning, friends. It's It's not that early. It's not that early. I'm just really tired. It's 9:30. Okay, so I really just want to remove my nails because I have some stuff I gotta do. Also, they're getting so long. I caught this one and this one, which is so crazy because normally I used to be able to wear really long nails, but not anymore. Hey guys, I was supposed to get work done, but I took a nap instead. It's a beautiful day today. Morning guys, I am so mad at myself. Last night I was watching $1 Million Secret. No spoilers. Not finished yet. But I bit my nails. I don't know. I haven't done it in so long. I luckily like stopped before it got too bad, but I'm gonna do my nails before I take it too far. Because I already had to do my nails anyway. And then I just bit them. Sucks. First thing I'm gonna do is scrub my nails with soap and water before I start to get any kind of like anything off my nails that shouldn't be there before we prep. I finally fixed my nails. They were completely bitten down and looking a little rough, so I decided to do Gel X during Felix's nap, which is one of the quickest things I could think of. I ended up using this green metal leaf gel from Beamy Beauty Box because these are so forgiving and so easy to do on both hands. So you only need to do 2 thin coats of that and give it a cure. And then I wanted them to be super sparkly, so I use this hollow top coat. So they look completely different in the sunshine than they do in the shade, which I loved so much. Okay, so I got one hand polished. I have to polish this hand. I'm gonna match my toes. I'm so excited because right now they're pink. So I'm gonna have to do them green as well. Okay, Felix is up, but I did get both nails done. I can't even believe it. Lately I've been able to get both hands done. So anyways, he's up, so I gotta go feed him and hang out with him. But I'll do my toes to match. I can't wait. They're gonna be so cute. Okay, these nails look really dull in my camera outside. Okay, I got my nails done, and I want to do my toes. And I was gonna do them exactly the same color, but I feel like maybe I want to do them gold. So this somehow turned into, I might as well do my toes too. So the whole thing took me all day because I was doing bits of it during nap, and then I finished after bedtime. But I'm honestly really glad I have work that lets me do this. Hollow top coat, and here is how everything turned out. Started in the morning, finished after bed. Yeah, so I got my toesies done too. Gold toes and like green sparkly fingers. So tired. I was just putting Felix down and I was like, oh, I want to nap. I want to nap so bad. Okay, so I got 2 packages here. And so I have to show you guys and open them up and do some work. Because one of these I have brand work. I need to make some coffee because I am so tired. Even though I slept okay last night, I'm just really tired. Okay. So this is from Ugly Duckling. Ugly Duckling sent me a package. I don't know where it is unless it's like right in front of me and I'm just can't see it. I'm looking for my tall one of these. Weird. Okay, so this is some of the crayon collection that they just got. And so I'm gonna do an unboxing reel of that. So I'm doing an unboxing video, so I'm just filming my little camera here. Okay, so we have the Ugly Duckling new crayon collection. So this is cool. Look at all these pretty colors. I'm gonna get my lamp organized here. Here's the collection. These are great. And they all now have names, which I love. I love. I hate numbers. I like names because then you can remember them and you and your clients can talk about them. And when you're like promoting products, you can be like, I used Ugly Duckling recess, you know, instead of number, like, trying to remember number 375, you know? So let's do some swatches of these. Ooh, this one. Play-Doh, you guys. This is my favorite blue. Oh my god. I'm like worried now because my window. I don't want to accidentally cure anything. I love that green. That's a nice green. Obviously I love the green. That one's called Recess. I like this brown. All of these are so nice. Ugly Duckling has always had consistent, like really, really nice, consistent, smooth products. Like you can't go wrong with Ugly Duckling. And every time I go back to Ugly Duckling, I'm like, so good. It's called Smiley Face and it's a yellow, so we gotta shake. Yellows are hard. I'm gonna need 2 coats of this, I think. Whoa, that's close to being full coverage, but I definitely still need 2 coats. Yellow's always like that. See guys, aren't these the perfect crayon colors so far? Love, 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 love. Okay, got one thing done so far. So like I said, I made my nails this kind of like jade color, but I need them green. So I have this Beanie Beauty box, so I might do that one. But I just have to file the color off my nails. Okay, he's still asleep. I started on this hand now. Shocked. Sweet. Both hands done. Can't even believe it. And now they will go well with the ring I got. I can't wait to show you guys. I love when my nails match and are fresh and pretty. Okay, so this is actually really cool. SheSaidYes sent me the ring that I picked, but they also sent a replica version of it. Basically, the idea is that you can try the ring at home first before fully committing to the real one, and then the money you spent on the replica goes towards your actual ring after. This makes sense because ordering jewelry online can feel risky sometimes. This is the one that I picked. This is called Fearless Love Ring. I picked the emerald green stone because emerald is both of my boys' birthstone. And green is also my favorite color. I just wanted something that felt a little different and more unique. What surprises me is how similar the replica actually looks next to the real one. So if you ever wanted to see what a ring actually looks like on your hand before committing, this is a smart idea. I'll link the try at home program and the ring below if you want to take a look at them. I am officially obsessed with emerald jewelry now.
Goat! Hi!